Hello, I'm Michael Blevins, the redhead known as RunnX. Welcome back to Reducing Friction with RunnX, where I cover technology, programming, and how to build real solutions to real problems. Today, I'm unboxing something I've been excited about for weeks, my brand new Mac Studio, and it's going to help me build something I've wanted to build for a couple years now. But this isn't just about a new computer. This Mac Studio marks the beginning of a project that brings together two of my biggest passions, technology and coaching track and field. I picked up the Mac Studio with the new M4 Max chip, 16-core CPU, 40-core GPU, and a 16-core neural engine. I went big with 128 gigabytes of unified memory and a 1 terabyte SSD, so I'd have the horsepower to run AI workflows, local model inferences, and whatever else I want to throw at it. Thing of beauty. All right, so there we've got our status light, two of our USB-C, Thunderbolt 5, and our SDXC card slot. All right, and flip this around. On the other side, we've got our 4 Thunderbolt 5 ports, our 10 gigabit Ethernet ports, of course, where the power goes, USB-A, both of those ports, an HDMI, as well as headphones, and of course a power button. Very sleek design, very clean. Classic Mac Studio from the form factor, all silver, tampered base, a small machine with massive power. So what am I building? I'm writing software to help coaches, starting with myself, better plan, track, and field meet entries. Right now, planning which athletes run which events is time-consuming and error-prone. You're flipping through old paper sheets and Excel files, trying to remember who ran what, who jumped or threw what, who's eligible, who's peaking, and where are you on all your meet limits. My idea is to build a platform that uses performance history and AI to recommend smart event placements, helping coaches build strong, compliant lineups in minutes instead of hours. I want to spend less time managing logistics and more time actually coaching, helping athletes improve, stay healthy, and hit their goals. The Mac OS comes with creative tools like GarageBand and iMovie, but I'm setting this machine up for serious development work, Python, AI frameworks, and maybe some local model training if it makes sense. This M4 chip has the neural engine and memory to handle it all. This project is deeply personal. It's about using everything I already know, from tech to coaching, to make something useful for others. If you're into AI, software development, or even just track and field, I'd love to have you follow along.